guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to shoot a very special video. It's a review video. I haven't done review ever in my channel, so this is my first review video. And today I'm going to review Maybelline brand new launch, that is 24K Nudes. This is the palette, as you can see. Maybelline has launched this palette in USA, I think in February, and in India they just have launched it. It is available in Nike. I will link it down in the description box, so do check that out. Now, the major difference between USA palette and the Indian palette is there are two shades which Maybelline didn't include. Let me just open it. The golden shade here, and there is a kind of coppery shade here. So this is like two different shades from the palette they have launched in USA. This golden shade has a more yellowish tone, I think, and I really like that. Golden is very goldeny golden, if you know what I mean. But in this palette is very champagne kind of golden. It's like very whitish, and whereas this color is not at all included in the palette they have launched in USA. They have included a beautiful bright purple shade, which I was like actually looking for when I was like thinking, should I get this palette or not. So I was just browsing through YouTube. So I saw actually so many reviews on this Maybelline 24K Nudes, but the problem is all of them are from USA. So moving on to packaging, I just love this packaging. This is like standard packaging of their nudes palette. Retails for 925 rupees for 12 shades. Now price wise, I won't say that they have like overpriced, to be very honest. In 2017, if you're like looking for 13 shades palette, 925 is actually quite cheap. But again, we will come to that later, because according to the quality, is this price justified or not. It comes with a brush. This brush is not that good, but again, you cannot complain. Nowadays no one provides a good brush in their shadow palette, I guess. So I'm going to swatch all the colors on my hands just to show you how it looks, how the pigment and the formula is. But to be very honest, I personally don't believe in that process, because the way we swatch it on our hand, the pressure we apply, the skin of our hand is very different from our eyelid. We really don't like apply eyeshadows with that much pressure on our eyelids, right? We always blend it with some brush or else some different techniques. And apart from that also, I personally never ever use like directly shadow on my eyelid. I always prime it, let it be with concealer, let it be with NYX Jumbo Pencil. So pigmentation do vary on that also, but people do like to see swatches like that, so I will do it. Without further blabbering, let's just start. Okay, so here's the palette, and I'm going to swatch the top row first and then the bottom row. First color of the palette is a pearly pink shimmery color. I'm doing single swipe for all the colors. Next, a cool tone brown shade, rather call it a muddy brown shade. Next is a peachy golden shade, and then a champagne gold kind of shade. So many golds which are like pretty much all the same. So what's the point? So next is a pinkish white pearly shade, and again so chalky. I had to swatch it again so that my camera can pick up the color. Next is the golden one, and with that I'm done with the first row. Colors are really very sad, no pigmentation at all. Let's move on to the bottom row. It's a matte light peach shade. Pigmentation is okay, but the formula, see, there is nothing. Oh, it's so frustrating. Then the army green shade with little bit of shimmer in it, which vanishes right after you apply it. A matte black shade, which is not that bad but could have been better, of course. A copper shade, again pigmentation is pathetic. Last, this black shade which has green and gold shimmer, which of course is not visible. Maybelline, personally, Maybelline is one of my favorite brands. They come up every time. It's like amazing products, but I don't know what's wrong whenever they come up with this new series palette. Guys, you really need to work on this formula, because it's not working. I mean, 925 is for 12 shadows is not expensive, but considering the quality you guys are providing is not worth it. So if you are ready to spend more, I mean 1000 or 1500, then there are so many good eyeshadow palettes. Makeup Revolution has awesome eyeshadow palettes. I'll give it 2 out of 5. So I have created this eye look from this palette actually, which I will include in a separate video because there is no point of like making this video so long. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.